Mr. Ramesh Kumar, hearty congratulations on securing All India rank 9 in instrumentation engineering in GATE 2021.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Now, after securing that 9th rank, how are you feeling?
Good, sir.
Good. Okay. Mr. Ramesh, please tell us about your educational background and our native place and all.
Sir, I am from Rajasthan, Padmi, Rajasthan, and I have completed my graduation from NIT Andhra Pradesh in 2019 in Electronics and Communication Department.
Acha, right. So you did your BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but you appeared the GATE paper in Electronics as well as Instrumentation GATE 2021.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You please tell me what was your rank in Electronics and Communication paper?
Sir, in EC my rank was 590.
So in EC rank was 590. In Instrumentation you got 9th rank.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Very interesting, Ramesh. Ramesh,
Yes.
Instrumentation, apart from the common subjects between the EC and Instrumentation, there are
Yes.
some core subjects of Instrumentation also.
Correct, sir.
Did you prepare any core subjects of Instrumentation Engineering?
Sir, actually, I was preparing for engineering services in electronics and telecommunications. So there we have syllabus. In syllabus, instrumentation core syllabus also are in core subjects are also included in electronics and telecommunications syllabus of engineering services. So I have prepared there, and with that preparation, I GATE exams.
Okay, you mean to say all the core subjects of Instrumentation already included in the EC, Electronics Telecommunication paper in engineering services?
Almost, sir. Almost.
Not all, right? Not all.
Not all, because industrial instrumentation is not included. Basic of instrumentation is included, and basic of the electrical engineering, which is there in GATE syllabus of instrumentation, is also there in the engineering services.
So, okay, right. What I understood is you did not prepare anything specifically from Instrumentation Engineering. You are preparing for engineering services in electronics and telecommunication subject. The same preparation used to crack this GATE exam also. Okay.
Correct. Yes.
Okay, right. Very good, Ramesh. You please tell us which coaching program you have availed from ACE Engineering Academy?
Sir, I have taken ACE Engineering Services, the engineering services online test series for prelims and mains both. And I have taken GATE Electronics and Communications online test series.
Okay, please tell us how this online test series helped you in cracking this GATE exam with a good rank.
Actually, sir, up to the basics levels, because in the test series there will be first like subject-wise test will be there. So first I have gone through my theory and concept everything, and then I have attempted those subject level tests. And whatever the doubts and whatever the questions which I was doing repeatedly, I was not able to correct it or doing the mistake in the questions. I was going again back and in theory I was reading it back and preparing again back, and then again coming to the new test series and giving those like the same questions. I should not repeat, the mistakes should not be happen. So I was focusing mainly on that. So online test series will help me a lot in that case.
Okay, very good, Ramesh. While appearing this online mock exams also, did you prepare any short notes based on the online test series performance?
Yes, sir. Repeatedly, if I was doing any mistake in a particular topic, I was writing those points, and I was going back to the theory and coming back to some new tests. So my focus was like I should not do the same mistakes which I have done in the earlier tests.
Right. Good strategy. Right. Ramesh, what are your suggestions and some strategic tips to the future aspirants of the GATE examination?
So that only, first be thorough with the theory and all the concepts, and then appear for the test series, and appear that for the test series in such a way, like first start with the basics subject wise test, and self analyze yourself, in which particular topic or which type of the questions I'm doing the mistakes again and again repeatedly. If you are doing the mistake, then we'll be able to know, like, okay, this particular topic we are doing the mistakes. 2 or 3 questions we have done wrong in last 2 or 3 tests from the same subjects. Then we can go back and refer the same theory or some book or the class notes, and then come again back. So our main focus should be that same mistake we should not do the next time. if you do the next time, then again the time will increase for the preparations at the end, sir.
Good. So good suggestion for the juniors. Those who watch the video, you take these points from Ramesh Kumar into consideration and use in your preparation. Very good, Ramesh. Now, with this rank, what are you going to do now? What are your future plans?
Sir, my plan is to do MTech in VLSI, sir.
Okay, right. Very good. I think with your, I think most probably, what was your score from this instrumentation engineering branch?
Sir, 897.
897. So hopefully you are going to get that VLSA specialization in your MTech.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So definitely we wish you all the good luck in our future, all endeavors. Right. Ramesh Kumar, any other further suggestion that you want to give to the future aspirants? Further suggestions? Because you know the GATE preparation or engineering preparation is something like it's a long journey.
Yes, sir.
So you have to be very determined and focused on this preparation to crack the exam with a good rank.
Yes, sir.
So how you have to be mentally focused, how you have to be what you call optimistic in this entire journey of a preparation. If you can throw some light on this, that will be useful for the students. Tell us if possible something on those lines.
Like it depends upon like where the students are. They are in the third year, final year, or they have completed their final year. So plan according to that. If you have already fixed plan to go for the MTech in some better IITs, then obviously GATE will be the thorough options, because from the GATE only we can go to the MTech from the top IIT. So keep your target right from your third year itself, like, and join some summer crash courses like ACE Engineering Academies are giving. If your plan is already towards the MTech, then definitely you can join some summer crash classes also, some online classes also, and start preparing for that.
Okay, very good. Thank you for joining with us, and we once again congratulate you, and we wish you all the best in all your future endeavors.
Thank you so much.
God bless you, Ramesh Kumar. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much.